Hello everyone, I am Preeti. Welcome to my channel Willpower. Today I am here to discuss with you the new chapter, that is verb. Yes, you are thinking, what is new about verb? Why will we study? You know that verb is an action word, but not. Verb is not only an action word. A verb is used to denote an action, condition of the subject, and what possesses by the subject. Yes, you are thinking, what is the meaning of this? Yes, I will make you understand by giving these some examples. Yes, I am giving you first example, that is Mr. Money and his friends. Mr. Money and his friends played hide and seek. Here played. Played is a verb and shows an actions possessed by Mr. Money and his friends. Here played is a verb which shows an action done by Mr. Money and his friends. Yes. Clear first one? What is the meaning of denote an action? Okay, come to the next point, that is conditions of the subject. I am giving you one example, that Mr. Money. Mr. Money is a wizard. Yes, here is verb and shows the expresses that the state of being of the subject. Okay, understand? Mr. Money is a wizard. Is verb here and shows the conditions of the subject. Clear? Next one, the condition of the subject. Next, come to the next point, that is what possesses by the subject. I am giving you next example. Mr. Money has a magical carpet. Yes, here has is verb and shows and possessions on magical carpet by Mr. Money. Now clear what possesses by the subject. Okay, next come to the next point. Now I am giving you some example and tell me the answer now. First one is, my sister is suffering from headache. My sister is suffering from headache. Which one is a verb in this sentence? Yes, is suffering. Is suffering is verb in this sentence. Next, I am giving you next example and find out the verb in this sentence. Mr. Carpel is driving a car in the wrong lane. Which one is verb in this sentence? Yes, is driving. Is driving is verb in this sentence. Okay, next come to the next point. Next point is, you are thinking that what is object? After verb, you have to understand what is object. What is object of verb? Now, what is object? If we ask what or whom after the verb, the answer we get is object. Yes, if we ask what or whom after the verb, the answer we get is object. I am giving you example. For example, Priyanka kept money in her bag. Priyanka kept money in her bag. Here kept is verb. And after the verb money is object. What kept? The answer we get is money. Okay. Next, come to the next point now. To the next point. How many kinds of verb? There are 3 kinds of verb. How many kinds of verb? There are 3 kinds of verb. Transitive verb, intransitive verb and incomplete verb. How many kinds of verb? 3 kinds of verb. First is transitive verb. Next one is intransitive verb. And third one is incomplete verb. What is transitive verb? Transitive verbs requires object to complete its meaning in a sentence. Without objects, transitive verb is not complete. I am giving you example. Firstly, you have to understand what is transitive verb. Transitive verb requires object to complete its meaning. Okay, I am giving example. For example, I have already told this example that Priyanka kept money. If I am saying only Priyanka kept, this is not completed sentence. Okay, but if I am saying Priyanka kept money, then what kept? Priyanka kept money. Okay, then answer we get is money, and the money is object, and without the object this sentence is incomplete. Next, come to the next point, that is intransitive verb. Intransitive verb do not requires intransitive verb do not requires object to complete its meaning. Intransitive verb do not requires object to complete its meaning. Yes. Now example is, for example, I am giving example that Priyanka laughed. That means this sentence is completed and giving this sense. This is called intransitive verb because this is completed without object. Okay. Now the class is over. एंड आपको अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो और आपने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें और बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस कर दें. ओके, बाय बाय. नेक्स्ट वीडियो के लिए वेट करते रहिए. कल आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो मिल जाएगी. ओके, बाय बाय. टेक केयर.